Hello, this is Vaughn Valet shooting you a video of our sweet 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sport that we just got in. This is a two-door with a hard top, hard to find Jeep. Got the suspension lift and 35-inch tires, BF Goodrich mud terrains all the way around. Jeep is super clean with 58,000 miles. Don't see many of them with that low miles. It is a 3.6 liter V6 automatic. Local Jeep, hits the road really good. We've got this Jeep priced to sell. We have financing available. We accept trade-ins of all types. No rust on this Jeep, very clean. Runs and drives excellent. Automatic. Let me show you the miles here. 58,824. Just have your removable roof, front panels removable in it. Start it up here so you can hear it run. No check engine lights. Does have cruise and tilt, CD. The tires are in real good condition. Very few miles on them. You can call us at 618-327-3000. We're located in Nashville, Illinois. We're open 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can go to cyvaletauto.com, see more pictures, this video, see free Carfax there. You can apply for financing. Just go to the top tab where it shows financing. Apply online, and we'll get you hooked up with a good rate.